Hello everybody. Um, I have another job order here. This is for Cooperation Kogyo Company, and we are looking for a full-time employee for manufacturing work. The area the area location is in Hanyu City in Saitama, and we are only looking for 2 person as full-time employee for this job position, which is manufacturing work. The working hours for this starts from 8:30 in the morning and until 5:30 in the afternoon. The salary for this would be 170,000 yen to 280,000 yen, and the bonus is negotiable. So, and also the language skill for this would be conversational Japanese. So if you are looking for a job, this is a manufacturing work, so just mail me directly. And qualification for this, by the way, can be trained. Okay, so this is again for a full-time job as a manufacturing work. Thank you so much.